Ever found yourself lost in the wonders of our galaxy, the Milky Way? Astronomers and space enthusiasts have been enchanted by this question for ages. Picture this: in the boundless canvas of the cosmos, cosmic collisions aren't merely science fiction. Given the extensive lifetimes of galaxies, these collisions are more common than you'd imagine. It's a cosmic cha-cha, a dance that has been in the works for billions of years. And here's where it gets really exciting. Our home galaxy, amazing Milky Way, headed for a dramatic cosmic collision. Sounds like a thriller, doesn't it? But guess what? It's going to be real. In around 4 billion years, our galaxy is on a collision course with our neighboring Andromeda galaxy. You heard right! The Milky Way and Andromeda, two immense spirals of stars and cosmic dust, are set for a celestial date that will radically our local group of galaxies. But what it mean when we say galaxies collide? It's not a traditional crash because galaxies are mostly empty space. So they don't just collide, they pass right through each other, their gravitational forces pulling, warping, and finally causing them to unite. This extraordinary cosmic dance-off will give rise to a brand new galaxy, a hybrid born from the fusion of the Milky Way and Andromeda. This future galaxy already has a pretty cool name, Milkomeda. As we stand at the dawn of this cosmic future, it's exhilarating to ponder. What does this impending cosmic collision mean for us, the inhabitants of planet Earth, nestled in the arm of the Milky Way? As we plunge into this mind-boggling subject matter, let's not forget we are part of an endlessly moving universe, tiny dancers in this magnificent cosmic extravaganza. Imagine this: the Milky Way and Andromeda tied in an inexorable dance of gravity. Picture a waltz on an intergalactic stage, orchestrated by the gravitational forces between our home, the magnificent Milky Way, and our cosmic neighbor, the mighty Andromeda. But this isn't just any dance, it's a slow-motion mashup set to collide, with Andromeda barreling towards us at an astonishing, unfathomable speed of nearly 250,000 miles per hour. Yes, you've heard it right, 250,000 miles per hour. But let's not panic just yet. Given the astronomical distances, we still have about 4 billion years before the grand event. To us it may seem forever, but in the grand cosmic timeline, it's right around the corner. So you might ask, why this inevitable clash? The answer, my friends, is gravity, the silent puppeteer of the universe. It's like the Milky Way and Andromeda are two colossal cosmic magnets, inexorably tugging each other closer. The seemingly endless space between them, unfortunately, isn't enough to resist their mutual gravitational allure. And although the concept of a galactic collision may sound terrifyingly dramatic, it's actually quite a common phenomenon on a cosmic scale. Galaxies, with their long lifespans, frequently mingle and merge. Our very own Milky Way is the product of numerous such cosmic mergers. But this upcoming collision, let me tell you, it's no ordinary affair. It's a clash of titans, a meet-cute of two of the most massive galaxies residing in our local universe. This epic event will dramatically transform our cosmic neighborhood, birthing a brand new gigantic elliptical galaxy, a celestial prodigy that scientists have lovingly christened either Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Here we are, hurtling towards Andromeda, an unchangeable date with destiny penned by the stars billions of years ago. But the million-dollar question is, what will this momentous occasion look like? Stay tuned. Picture this: two enormous galaxies fusing into a single entity. Get ready, because in approximately 4 billion years, a stellar spectacle will unfold that's going to completely transform our night sky. We're talking about our very own Milky Way and our neighboring galaxy Andromeda, coming together in a celestial collision that's more of a cosmic ballet. This isn't about destruction, folks. It's all about creation. A brand new galaxy is on its way. Now let's take a thrilling deep dive into this cosmic dance. The main event: two supermassive black holes from each galaxy, spiraling together in a mesmerizing cosmic waltz. Imagine these black holes, like giant cosmic whirlpools starting a gravitational tango, drawing closer and closer. Over endless eons, they'll spiral into each other, culminating in a grand merger at the heart of our newly formed galaxy. This isn't just a meetup. It's a convergence of epic proportions that will ultimately determine the destiny of countless stars. So, what's the name of this newborn cosmic entity arising from the remnants of the Milky Way and Andromeda? Science suggests two cool names: Milkdromeda and Milkomeda. Both monikers represent an amalgamation of their parent galaxies, symbolizing unity and shared heritage. But in this cosmic drama, there's one burning question. What's the destiny of our solar system in this grand cosmic extravaganza? The key to that mystery is hidden in the stars, and only time will reveal it. But one thing's for sure, the arrival of Milkomeda promises a show-stopping cosmic marvel, a tribute to our dynamic universe, and our tiny yet crucial role within it. So when we look at the night sky, let's remember that those twinkling stars are part of a grand cosmic choreography, a cosmic routine that has been unfolding for billions of years and will keep going for billions more. It's a dance of creation and metamorphosis, a dance that will eventually bring forth Milkomeda. But what will be the destiny of our solar system in this cosmic gala of astronomical proportions? Imagine our Earth, just a tiny dot in the vast cosmic sea, playing host to an astronomical spectacle of epic. In about 4 billion years, the grandest of galactic ballets will not only reshape the Milky Way, but could dramatically transform the very place we call home. Intrigued? Let's dive into the probabilities. Intrepid scientists have thrown out a figure. There's a 50-50 shot that our solar system, due to this impending space-time shakeup, could find itself catapulted 3 times farther from the center of our galaxy. Now don't panic. This doesn't mean our beloved Earth will be cast adrift into the icy void of the universe. Rather, it suggests a thrilling cosmic relocation, as our solar system attains a new address within the soon-to-be-formed glorious Milkomeda galaxy. What does this mean for us, for life on Earth? Well, fast forward to when this celestial waltz begins, and Earth might already be unrecognizable. The sun's ever-increasing radiance, a natural result of its celestial lifespan, could render our planet a bit too toasty for liquid water's comfort. Implies that life as we know it, which relies heavily on water, could be all but extinct by the time the galaxies lock horns. So, while this cosmic collision might not game over for Earth in the literal sense, it could well signal the end of Earth as we know it. But hey, let's not get ahead of ourselves. This is billions of years down the line. The galaxy's dance is a certainty, but it's a slow burner. A spectacle that will unfold over billions of years. As we contemplate our planet's place in this cosmic choreography, it's awe-inspiring to realize that we're part of an ever-evolving, perpetually in motion universe. The Milky Way-Andromeda collision is a testament to the universe's dynamic nature. It's a cataclysmic event set to redefine our cosmic neighborhood and reminds us that change is the only constant in this vast, vibrant cosmos. Breathlessly unfolding before us, the universe is a ceaseless symphony of cosmic motion. The majestic dance of galaxies, pirouetting across the celestial stage, is a breathtaking testament to this unending movement. And guess what? Our very own home, the Milky Way, and our galactic buddy, the Andromeda Galaxy, are gearing up for a cosmic pas de deux. This grand waltz will ultimately fuse them into a single extraordinary entity, the Milkomeda Galaxy. 4 billion years from now, this collision is not just a possibility, it's a certainty. Guided by the powerful tug of gravity, their dance will culminate in a staggering transformation. Our very own solar system might even find itself swept out 3 times farther from the galactic center. And Earth? Well, terrestrial life as we know it might be a story of the past thanks to the sun's growing luminosity. When we crane our necks to gaze up at the night sky, we're not just seeing the present, folks. We're also catching a tantalizing glimpse of our future in the grand cosmic ballet.